Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your speaker shudders or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check is your speaker have the latest software version. Open JBL Portable application. Your speaker should be connected with the app and the application open for you the speaker menu. If you are in the main menu, you need to tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. Right here we have software. You need to tap at this line if nothing happens, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, it will open for you another menu, and at the bottom you'll find the button install. Tap at this button, don't use your speaker, just wait until this update finished. And do not close the app. This is my recommendation. Then is to perform the software set. At the top of the speaker we have controls. Right here we have power button. To perform the software set, you need to turn off and turn on your speaker. So press one time at the power button. We just turn off it. Now press again and we turn on the speaker. The speaker will connect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that you don't want to reconnect automatically. So you can try to go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and tap at your speaker at the device list, and then it should reconnect to your phone. If the software set didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side, on your speaker, at the top we have play pause button and volume up button. You need to press and hold these buttons simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2, then release your finger and your speaker turn off. Excellent. Now press the power button to turn on it and your speaker enter to pairing mode. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click forget this device or forget device or remove or unpair or something else and forget device. And you will remove your speaker from your phone. Without it, if you try to reconnect your speaker on iOS, it will ask you to remove the speaker. On Android, it will show you connectional problem. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, let's say if you have Realme. Tap at this button, and after that, at the device list you will see your speaker. You need to tap at your speaker, and we reconnect it. If you want to reconnect your speaker to the application, hide the settings, open JBL Portable app, and then you need to wait a bit. And this application will connect to your speaker automatically. I mean, the speaker to the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!